What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all that brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev your brain up. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Before we begin, let's start with our warm-up by doing 2 forward folds. Standing your tall mountain, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling up one last time, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling back into your tall mountain. Nice job. Now that we have warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today, we are going to continue our practice of burpees, and I have a few new moves to show you. We will start in our ready position, feet apart, hands at your sides. We're going to go down into our squat position, hands on the floor. Remember, kick your feet out, kick them back in. This time when we come up, big jump. Reset yourself again, squat down, hands on the floor, kick your legs out, kick your legs back in. When you come up, big jump. One last time. Squat down, hands on the floor, kick your legs out, bring them back in, big jump. Reset your body, give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.